everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back to show you how I do my 3-strand twists. So I'm going to show you 2 different ways, and I put on some gold hair color wax to help you really see what I'm doing. Just by putting it on 1 lock per twist should really help you to see how I'm moving the locks around. So my hair is freshly washed. I already twisted the rest of my head. And now I'm going to be retwisting the Light Locs gel. Doesn't require a lot of product and it leaves you with a good hold. And I know a lot of you are probably concerned about me using the hair color wax on my locks. I want you to know Light Locs is now offering a Loc Detox Clarifying Shampoo. It's now available for pre-sale. For those of you who order pre-sale, you will be the first to get it. You get first dibs. This product will sell out, so I do advise you to order early if you can. So yeah, that's what I'll be using to get rid of the hair color wax when the time comes. So I'm going to start off with 3 strands to create a 2-strand twist. Now, some people may still call this a 3-strand twist because it's literally 3 strands, but I call it a 2-strand twist still because, as you see, I'm just using 2 parts to create the twist. So I have the gold lock on its own and the other 2 black locks are moving together as 1 lock would. So I have a 2-strand twist tutorial on how exactly I achieve this twist. This is the type of twist that I'm most accustomed to doing as far as the method. I usually do it with maybe 4 locks or even 6 locks. But here I'm doing with 3. Say we were doing twists with 4 locks per twist, but depending on how many locks we have in our head, sometimes we just have to make it work with however many locks we have left. With doing this method, however, when you start off with even locks, you will end up with 1 really short lock. So the gold lock ended up being really short because it's being wrapped around 2 locks. So I had to wrap the rest of the locks around the end to create a knot to seal it with a rubber band. So now, again, check out that original tutorial that I have linked in the cards so you can really see how that's done if you need further explanation. Now this is what I believe is a true 3-strand twist. This is actually my first time attempting to do it. I think I did pretty well for my first attempt. However, I do need more practice because it did come out a little bit looser than I prefer. However, it's still taut enough for me to keep it in. I didn't have to undo it. But basically, as you can see, you're wrapping the lock in the front around the rest. Now the next lock, which is now in the front, goes around the rest, and you just keep going in sequence. It's pretty simple. I think with the gold lock, it really helps you to see what I'm doing. And with this method, all of the locks, they remain the same length. So it's easy to rubber band at the end. I don't need to do any wraparound knot situation. And there you have it. So at the end of the day, I guess it's a matter of preference. Which twist do you prefer? Do you prefer the 3-strand twist A or 3-strand twist B? So let me know what you think. Leave a comment below. Make sure that you're subscribed. Leave a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram at Keisha Charmaine. And remember to pre-order the Loc Detox Clarifying Shampoo at KeishaCharmaine.com. Check the link in the description, okay? And in the comments. Thanks for watching. Love, light, and locks.